Beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn another term, and that is curiosity. Curiosity is very important for getting sales or the visitors to your website. So always create a knowledge gap for your visitors. What is knowledge gap? For example, you are actually showing a headline or an article summary on your somewhere on your summary on your website, and that actually the heading should not contain the complete knowledge. That should give a hint to a certain knowledge which is actually attractive to your visitors. So for example, you can use the terms earn $5,000 in 30 days. This is a very attractive term, but if you will add how to this complete term, then it will be more interesting and people will try to click that term to get the complete knowledge. So you can say how to earn $5,000 in 30 days, or similarly what are the best places in the world, the best destination in Pakistan, why these damn people are so ugly. Okay, so this type of terms. So then when the visitor will come to your website and he will see that terms within knowledge gap, he will definitely click on your article and then he will be engaged with your website. Keep attention, and keeping from the visitors is also very important. So you should write the articles which should be attractive, and people will get attention to that articles instantly. So also be honest with your articles or the content. So always use the terms. For example, if you are creating a video, then in the video before the video, for the attention purpose, you can say that in the end of video I will announce some giveaways. Then you should do that. You should do the giveaways, otherwise you will not be honest, and the next time they will not serve your video on the YouTube or any other platform. Then information gap headline. So whenever you will create a headline, it should have an information gap. So it means that the complete information should not be there, and it should be a little mysterious information in the headline, and by that definitely people will click on that headline and they will search your read your complete article. And the article introduction is also very important. So if your article introduction is will lead a curiosity for your visitors, then it is always good. So curiosity is another factor that is very important in sales psychology, and in next video we'll move further and we will learn about the next term for the which can affect the sales psychology.